having known the ER verbs, we have some few more verbs. Now, look at this verb. We have connect and we have the verb être. Être, we have seen être so many times. Je suis, tu es, il est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. The verb connaître means to know. To know. So here we have je connais, tu connais, il connaît, elle connaît, nous connaissons, vous connaissez, ils connaissent, elles connaissent. Je connais, tu connais, il connaît, elle connaît, nous connaissons, vous connaissez, ils connaissent, elles connaissent. Not forgetting the negation, la négation. The rule says that we have the ne, we have the verb, and we have the pas. We have the ne, we have the verb, and we have the pas. Par exemple, if I say, je suis professeur de la langue française. If I can say this, where will my negation be? I just put my negation, I'll just put my verb in between my negation. C'est fini. It becomes je ne suis pas. That is that for negation. The verb must come in between the negations. That is the rule to negation. That is the rule to negation. So if you can say je suis Nigérian, I can as well say je ne suis pas Nigérian. If I say je parle français, I can say je ne parle pas français. Je ne parle pas français. Parce que, oh, je ne mange pas. Je ne mange pas le matin. I do not eat in the morning. I do not eat in the morning. Je ne mange pas le matin. Now let's move further. Par exemple, we have Luke parle japonais. Does Luke speak Japanese? Yeah. Non, il ne parle pas japonais. Non, il ne parle pas japonais. No, he does not speak Japanese. Elle est italienne. Is she Italian? Non, elle n'est pas italienne. No, she is not Italian. Now let's proceed. Now here, we have a few things we'll have to learn here. La préposition de. La préposition de. De means of or from. De means of or from. Now in French, we do not say it is somebody's bag. We rather say it is the bag of somebody. It is the bag of somebody. For example, I'm saying c'est le This is English French. It is the professor's bag. This is English French, which is very, very wrong. Which is wrong. So the best way the Frenchman will say it is the bag of the teacher. C'est the bag of the teacher. C'est le sac du professeur. It is the bag of the teacher. Oh, it is my book. It is the book of somebody. It is the car of somebody. It is the house of somebody. That is how the Frenchman will say it. Now, the rule to preposition says that preposition de plus article. Like I said, all nouns must have an article. All nouns must have an article. You have de plus la, de plus l'apostrophe, and we have de plus le. Now the Frenchman says that once we have de before a masculine article, before a masculine definite article. The Frenchman does not go with de, le, it becomes du. It becomes du. Then when we have de in front of la as a feminine article, we have de, la. When we have de in front of before L apostrophe, it becomes de, L apostrophe. And when we have de in front of le, it becomes de. Please do not forget, de plus le cannot go together. It becomes du. That's why we have c'est le sac du professeur. That's why I have c'est le sac du professeur. Because the Frenchman wants us to use de plus le professeur. It becomes c'est le sac du professeur. But de can go with la. It gives us de la. De can go with L apostrophe. It becomes de plus L apostrophe. And de plus le gives us de. Now let's look at some few examples. De plus noun. C'est le stylo de Sylvie. C'est le stylo de Sylvie. It is the biro of Sylvie. Because Sylvie is a proper noun, is a name of somebody. So a name of somebody does not have le or la. C'est le stylo de Sylvie. But here, this is a profession, a noun which must carry an article. It becomes du here. De plus le becomes c'est le stylo du professeur. It's the professor's biro. It's the teacher's biro. Then we have de and la. Les étudiants de la classe. The students of the class. Les étudiants de la classe. Then we have de plus L apostrophe. Les cinémas de l'avenue. Les cinémas de l'avenue. The cinemas of the avenue. Then we have de, which is de plus le. La photo des étudiants. La photo des étudiants. The photo of the students. The photo of the students. Now let's proceed to feminine and plural. Now, in French, a consonant, when a consonant ends a word in French, the feminine gender of that consonant is just to add an E to it. Étudiant, we have étudiante.